हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आमर ओडिया क्वेश्चन चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट पेडागोजी क्वेश्चन 2001 ओटी सॉरी 2021 ओटीटी पेपर 1 रो कंप्लीट हो सारी। एबे ताले देखिबा इंग्लिश पेपर। ताले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अच्छी सी एवॉइड्स डैश देयर, सी एवॉइड्स गोइंग देयर। ऑप्शन सी होची राइट आंसर। There should be a work bank in every primary school because it helps build of dash conception, vocabulary, writing skill, reading readiness। ताले हमरो वर्क देछि वर्क बैंक वर्ड बैंक थिले कोन हबो वोकाबुलरी बढ़ी परिबो। ऑप्शन बी होची राइट आंसर। Khema told me dash story, a fantastic ghost incredible, a fantastic incredible ghost story, an incredible fantastic ghost story, an incredible ghost fantastic story। No, ताले हेमा told me आमर फर्स्ट कौन आसीबो ताले स्टोरीटा आमर किपर थिला फैंटास्टिक थिला इनक्रेडिबल थिला कि स्टोरी घोस्ट स्टोरी। ताले ऑप्शन बी होची राइट आंसर, ए फैंटास्टिक इनक्रेडिबल घोस्ट स्टोरी। Which of the following is correctly punctuated? He said to me, be prepared for the worst. He said to me, be prepared for the worst. He said to me, be prepared for the worst. He said to me, be prepared for the worst। ताले आमे बी टा को देखंतु सेटा he said to me कमा भितर रहला be prepared for the worst। He gave me dash 1 rupee notes. He gave me an 1 rupee note. The 1 rupee note. The 1 rupee note. He gave me a 1 rupee note. He was ashamed dash his misbehavior. Ashamed कौन पाई ना कौन पाई हेले ashamed of his misbehavior। When I dash him, he was playing chess. When I saw him, एटा simple past रहिबो। When I saw him, he was playing chess। Continuous comprehensive evaluation emphasizes dash product evaluation, process evaluation, term and evaluation, summative evaluation। ताले कंटिन्यूअस कम्प्रेहेंसिव इवैल्यूएशन टा कौन करे प्रोसेस इवैल्यूएशन उपरे गुरुत्व दिए। They have been studying dash, had all day at home, all day had at home had all day, had at home all day। ताले they have been studying had कोटी at home all day। When in a specific situation rules are applied, we call the method deductive, incidental, inductive, correlative। जोटी गोटे स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन ने रूल टे अप्लाई हुए ताको हमें कहंती डिडक्टिव मेथड कहती स्पेसिफिक रे। द डिटेल्ड एंड केयरफुल टेक्निक ऑफ रीडिंग ए टेक्स्ट इज नोन एज स्किमिंग, स्कैनिंग, इंटेंसिव रीडिंग, एक्सटेंसिव रीडिंग। ताले डिटेल्ड एंड केयरफुल टेक्निक सेटा होची डिटेल्ड एंड केयरफुल जोटा पढ़िया सेटा इंटेंसिव रीडिंग। Our constitution recommends English as dash, a compulsory subject in education, a language of admission, an associate official language, a lingual franca। English कौन आमर ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ताको आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेकमेंड करिछि कि एज associate official language। Substitution table drills helps the teachers in dash, developing free writing skill, evaluating the listening skill, improving fluency of learners, giving controlled language practice. তাহলে কোন হবো এটা giving controlled language practice. Neither of the boys dares a bike. Neither of the boys has got a bike. जेहेतु neither अच्छी neither of the boys ता माने has got a bike. Formative assessment does not help in identifying learners' weakness in learning, providing opportunity to the learners to improve their work after getting feedback, enabling teachers to modify teaching learning strategies, enabling learners to secure good marks. তাহলে এটা কোন হবে enabling learners to secure good mark. এটা আমরা summative assessment, মার্কটা আমরা summative assessment. When a part of the word is spoken emphatically, it is called pause, annotation, stress, pronunciation. ताले जेतेबेले गोटे वर्ड रो किछि पार्ट को आमे एम्फैटिकली पढ़ंती ताले सेटा को स्ट्रेस आमे कहबा स्ट्रेस दोचंती जोटा ऊपर. Khemant could not reach the station in time owing to dash, heavy traffic, lot of traffic, much traffic. Heavy traffic. Okay, তাহলে এটা heavy traffic. The category wise action verbs list was developed by B.S. Bloom at CEM approach, Robert Merger, Robert Miller. ତାହେଲେ କହିଥିଲେ ରବର୍ଟ ମେଜର. Learning English in India is important because it is taught in all English medium schools. It is the language of our powerful colonizers. It is a foreign language. It is linked language in a multilingual country. ତାହେଲେ ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗୋଟେ multilingual country, ତ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ଏଠି linked language. He has been ill dash Monday last. He has been ill since Monday last. तापर एटा पैसेज देछि, पैसेज रो क्वेश्चन एबे करबा. What poses a problem for adult education? Illiteracy, poverty, shortage of teachers, village environment. ताले एडल्ट एजुकेशन पई कोटा प्रॉब्लम पैसेज रे कोन अछि ना शॉर्टेज ऑफ टीचर्स. How is the job of a farmer? Pleasant, strenuous, delightful, easy. Strenuous काना फार्मर रो जॉब टा कोन बहुत काम करिया को पड़े एक्टिक, तो strenuous. What do the village people find about education given at adult centers? Education is costly, learning is difficult, learning is not interesting, so education has no bearing on their daily needs. कौन भाबुथिले पैराग्राफ रो ना education has no bearing on their daily needs. How can adult education be more meaningful for farmers? It should be useful and work based, it should be cheap, it should not be strenuous, it should be enjoyable. ताले फार्मर को पई हम जो कोन जानले केमती एजुकेशन टा मीनिंगफुल हे परिबो. It should be useful and work based. The word bearing in the passage is an adjective, an adverb, a noun, a verb. ताले हमरो पैसेज रे बियरिंग टा गोटे नाउन भाबरे यूज हिचे. तापर आसिला प्रोज रो गोटे पैसेज देखिबा एबे. इटार इंग्लिश रो गोटे पैसेज एक्चुअली मो मिस्टेक रे तार क्वेश्चन टा कवर करि पारि नाही मोते पेजटा रिमूव हो जाइए पीडीएफ रु तो तार नेक्स्ट टाइम मो कले या सहित अटैच करेंगे ताले ठीक अच्छे थैंक यू वीडियो को फर्स्ट टू लास्ट देखि थैंक यू ताले वीडियो रेगुलर अपडेट पाई चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु।